today I'm gonna show you how to give stuff to your friends. So I don't want my little player to know, so I'll whisper for the video. So you go up here to gifts. For example, I'll select random email. So I'll select a username I want. Oh, someone's killing me! Dude, leave me alone! You gotta leave me alone or you can get beat! Okay, wait.
No, I can spear you right now.
You wanna get beat? Stop! Okay, you gotta leave me.
I'm trying to kill the dude.
Anyway, I'm back, because someone is decided to kill me, even though I'm a beginner. So look, I'll show you me. I only have 11 kills total. So why do I have to pay? I want to have kills.
And it's not a secret.
It is a secret.
But I can still hear you.
So anyway, kill the kids. I'll do a random email. And I select the player I want to gift to. And you press send gift. I'm gonna use my Robux. And I'm gonna click. I'll go look.
But what is this about? I just got a random.
Oh.
No!
And that's how you gift. And that's how I get the gifts to someone. So yes. See y'all on the next videos. From now on, I will go. Let's fight together. Hey. Yup, I actually gift the emotes to you. So yes, I only have 11 Robux for my leftovers. Oh wow. Let me see. Happy? Yup, of course. So yeah, so now I'll end the video here. Peace. Yeah!